What it do, Ski family? It's your boy Will here. And growing up, I used to always want a basement, man. I used to always wish I had a basement. But growing up, I didn't know what comes with having a basement. I didn't know about water damage and floods and all that other stuff. So now that I got my own house, the basement already had water damage to it. But thanks to a couple of my peoples, they gave me a couple tips and, advice on how to fix it. I was able to fix the problem. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I actually fixed the water problem. And hopefully, I could help anybody that got the same problem that don't have the necessary funds to get it professionally fixed and want to go the cheap route. This video is for you. So hopefully this will help you out. And then stay tuned for part 2. I'm gonna be doing the painting too afterwards. So here we go. And I also wanted to go ahead and say this before I got into the video. Don't none of y'all judge me, because I'm pretty sure ain't none of y'all house super perfect. And for y'all bougie people who house is fully furnished and renovated and all that, look, this ain't for you. This is for the humble beings that appreciate what God gave them, that take care of their business and take care of whatever that God blessed them with until God blessed them with more. So that's my situation, you feel me? I came to this house blessed and appreciative, and I'm doing what I'm doing to fix it up, you know what I'm saying, step by step. Because the way the world going right now, some people ain't even got that, you feel me, like for real. So I'm appreciative of my house. I got a house that I can come to, lock the door, chill in, all that, whenever I want. So glory to God for that. And before it's all said and done, I'm going to have plenty of more properties and houses in my name. So don't hop in my comment section because somebody said something in one of my videos as if my house was run down. Listen, I'm not ashamed. I'm showing you everything, and it's the good, the bad, and the ugly. Like I said, and this for somebody to help somebody else that's in my situation, because we all go through something. So don't get in my comment section trying to judge me, talking about whatever. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm appreciative of my little rundown house. You feel me? Hey, let's get to it. Here we go. What a dooski family, it's your boy Will here, man. I'm back with another jointation, man. It looked like your boy got another serious issue. So every time it rains, it leaks in my basement. So I figured it out. Actually, you know what I'm saying? Well, I'm going to show you. So every time it rains, as you can see, it's water damage all over here. This is turning into mold at this point. So it leaks, I believe it leaks in this little corner right here. Every time it rains, and it drains all the way down to the middle of the floor. So I figured it out. I gotta use water stop cement to patch it up. But first and foremost, I gotta use the mold, stain, and mildew cleaner, bleach, and some pine sol to get all that stuff cleaned up. And then I'm gonna patch it up with this. But that's not my only problem. I'm gonna show you what else I gotta do. This is the corner on the outside where it's leaking at. I gotta actually pile some dirt up on this side, because I'm gonna show you the comparison to the other side. And then I gotta actually get up there, clean the gutters out, and I gotta add this end cap. Add the end cap so the water can actually go down the drain and go down the chute and go down that way, and not fall straight down here and go straight down to this corner and leak down into the basement. So let me show y'all the other side, how that side look. And I'm gonna actually add some more dirt over here because that side leak as well, but it don't leak as much, and it don't go all the way to the middle of the whole floor of the house. So yeah, I don't know if you could tell, but this side right here, it's a whole hill. Excuse Junior's toy, but this is a whole pile of dirt. This is a whole hill, but right here is the corner of the house. I'm gonna actually stump some more dirt right here, but that's what I gotta do. I gotta make a hill, a slanted hill with the dirt, so when the water come down, it can go away from the house. So first and foremost, let me clean the gutters and add this end cap. And since they doing construction by the house, I might as well go ahead and use some of the dirt that they got piled out there. As you can see, I got piles and piles of dirt and sand all over here, so I'm good on the dirt and rocks. While I'm at it, I might as well get the fire going too. Hey, you know me. Get up here and show y'all, give y'all a preview of how the gutter is looking, man. We'll clean up around that hole for sure. Alright, you can see this the hole right here. That's the end of the gutter. Whole bunch of leaves and stuff. I gotta cut these trees off this off the side of this house. But I gotta clear this up for sure. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, family. Got that end piece on there. You feel me? Clean out that little area. I'm gonna clean out the rest of that. It's the other side, as you can see. So both sides got the end jointation. So now let me go grab some of this dirt. You hear me? Alright, people. I got the dirt piled up. I got about 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 piles. You know. And I got the end cap on the gutter. So now all I gotta do is just scrub that wall. I'm about to go spray it down with that mildew spray. And scrubbing down, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know if I'm gonna how much of that cement stop I'm gonna use, so I don't think I want to use the whole bucket. I definitely don't want to do that, so I should have grabbed me a bucket or something so I can mix it up and do what I need to do, or get a pan or a tray. Yeah, dummy. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab me an aluminum pan, man, before I put that cement stop. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean that real quick, so stay tuned. Clean that wall.
lovely over there. Smell and look 1,000% better, man, for sure. I got all that little dirt and grime and black mold or whatever that was off of there, you know what I'm saying? So I'm good. All I gotta do, I'm about to watch a video so I can see how to properly do that water stop, that cement stop. You know, because I don't want to do the whole bucket. I might want to save the rest of it or whatever. So I'm gonna do that. And then after I do that and wait for it to dry, all I'm gonna do is put some fresh paint on it, man, and you know, wait for it to rain and see what it do. But I pray that that's definitely the solve of that problem. You know what I'm saying? Because once I do that, I'll be able to start furnishing my basement like how I want to. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to paint the floor, you know what I'm saying, one solid color, because it's all chipped up paint from before I stayed here, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna clean, power wash the floor, power wash the rest of the walls, you know what I'm saying? Paint the floor solid, like black or something, you know what I'm saying? And paint the walls, you know what I'm saying? And then start putting some rugs, carpet and stuff down here, you know what I'm saying? But that was the only thing stopping me, because like I said, every time it rained, the walls leak, man, you know what I'm saying? That wall, that specific wall. The other side leak, but like I said, it don't leak as bad. It just go up under the stairs. So I put some more sand and stuff on that side, because that side already got it covered, you know what I'm saying? On the gutter. I'm gonna just clean the gutters out over there, you know what I'm saying? Use the water cement on that side, you know what I'm saying? The other side, but like I said, it's not that bad. This side, I had to do it. It was getting to the point where I would come downstairs and do laundry and it would smell, you know what I'm saying? You could smell that water, like the you know what I'm saying, the still water, and yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like I can't do that because I cut hair down here, and you know what I'm saying, I gotta have it more presentable. So plus, like I said, I'm buying a house, so this is about to be mine, so I gotta get everything together. So like I said, when it come down to it, I'm done paying for it and get to renting it out or give it to Junior, you know what I'm saying, and everything will be all the way set, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, that's the video for right now, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, I'm gonna seal that up with that water cement, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna figure it out, do what it do. I don't know if I'm gonna add it on to this video or to the clip, but if you got this far in the video, you a real one, man. Like the video, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hit you with some more heat, you know? Sir, that's what I got so far. All I gotta do, like I said, is just paint over it. Once it dries, it's gonna get dry, fade out a little bit more. But yeah, it'll look way better. What it do, Ski family? So in that video you just watched, I actually patched up the wall, I want to say about a year ago, and I haven't had no problem ever since, you feel me? So that actually worked for me, you know what I'm saying? I thought I was gonna have to, you know, probably spend some more money or do something as far as professional wise, but I didn't. Thank the Lord, it worked for me. And on top of that, I wound up finding these dehumidifiers, y'all. No spill dehumidifiers. All you gotta do is rip the back off and just sit it in whatever designated area in your basement or wherever it catches moisture, and it'll definitely, like, it smells wonderful, and it'll sit and collect all the moisture that's in the basement. You see that? That's nothing but water, you know, as you can see. There's nothing but moisture that it collected, you know what I'm saying? So I haven't been getting no more leaks, none of that. So I'm about to get ready to get to the other side, because like I said, the other side still kind of leaking to the middle of the floor. I actually did it, so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and hit y'all with part 2 where I do the painting. Chip the wall with all the old paint. I finished chipping this side, so now I'm about to paint this side. But I got the other side painted, and I'm about to finish painting this. And hey, another problem solved, y'all. So if you were in my same situation where you're not used to having a basement, you're not used to water damage and moisture, and you know, this could help. Hopefully this will help you, you feel me? Like I say, you just get the little the little quick creep, make a paste out of it, patch whatever hole, whatever area, let it dry, paint over it, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, Get you some dehumidifiers. That stuff works. That collect all the moisture that be in the air. Cause like I said, I got it right next to the washer and the dryer. And you know, it's just a lot of moisture just be in that little corner anyway. So like I said, I haven't had no more leaks from over there. So now I'm about to get the paint, and then we're gonna get to the next step, next situation, you know. So y'all log in, stay tuned to Impact Wheel TV. I still got the shed I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna finish it up. I got one wall up so far, you know what I'm saying? I just gotta do the other 2 walls and the front wall and then figure out how to do the door. I'm gonna get my man to do that, but them other 2 walls I'm gonna put up myself, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause it's just some simple measuring and putting the nails together, you know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned for that. I got some more of that, and I got the Impact Wheel Reacts too. So y'all stay tuned, man. I got a lot more content coming, so lock in, stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification bell so every time your boy drop, you will be notified. It'll come straight to your phone or to your tablet, whatever you watching on, you know? But appreciate y'all, love y'all, man. And I'll be back with another jointation, you hear me?